Here I've got OnePlus 6 Pro, and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. So at first you have to open your phone dialer, and then click on More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner. Then select the settings, and here just go to blocking settings. If you would like to block some particular number, just click on blocked numbers, and by tapping on plus, you can enter the number that you would like to block. Just enter the number, click on block, and that's it. From now on you will not receive any calls or messages from this number. Whenever you would like to remove some number from your blacklist, just tap on the cross icon, and as you can see, it has been removed. But also you can block by keyword, just click here, and you can block messages with some keywords. So for example, if you would like to block, I don't know, maybe hard reset, let me block it. Tap on add, and from now on any message that will include this word will be rejected, so you will not receive it. And this is it. Also, if you would like to block your contact, just go to the contacts, pick the contact that you would like to block, tap on more icon right here, and select the block number. Confirm that you would like to block this contact, and it is blocked, so you will not receive any calls or messages from Ronnie. Then if you would like to remove it from your blacklist, just click on more icon and select unblock number. And this is it. That will be all, so you can activate call blocking in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.